Right, day in and counting. Saying goodbye to Gibeon. Just getting my gloves on. Kind of got the bike outside the actual compound, just putting my gloves on. So that kind of went all well. Nice early night, something past 9, up at 5:05, and then a bit of a leisurely get ready. I didn't do the kilos to Keetmanshoop and Bethany. I know it's doable from before, but with no internet here, I couldn't recheck distances or anything. There we go. Right. I don't assume there's any cars. No rush hour traffic in Gibeon. So there's the departure this morning probably worked the best. I don't know, it just felt, I wasn't rushed when I got up, so that's quite nice. I was quite ready last night with everything packed. I mean, the bike's just outside the unit. Up at 5:05, I had like 2-3 cups of coffee, and then I was packing the stuff out. Well, I was packing the bike actually, pretty much in the dark. Last cup of coffee, brush the teeth. So this is probably the darkest I'd want to do it. Okay, I'm going into the sun, going into the light, so I can't see the road that well, but this is, oh, that's beautiful. This is pretty much exactly what I mean by, or would have meant by leave at first light. This is just, I'm not sure what it's going to show up on the GoPro, but this is spot on. This is exactly first light. Just enough for me to, have a good visual on the road. Choke off. Tires still fine. So we're all good to go. I think it's I do have to be more because even when I was trying to get the Google Maps around the Bethany side, it wasn't showing up. So I don't know how long it keeps. I don't know how long it keeps the map in cache. I mean, I know you can do a download, but that's, well, even if you just scroll and scan, it's loading it, but I don't know how long it keeps that for. And then you can do a download directions thing, which might be better. So it's saying I'm going from here to here, download for offline use. Whether that just gives you the directions, as in turn left, turn right, or actually the map as well, I don't know. Anyway, no harm. It's not nearly as cold as it was leaving Windhoek. Windhoek was a bit icy. I don't know what temperature, but Windhoek, my fingers were getting numb a little while out of Windhoek. But this I can feel is, when you're hitting 40 in the day, this is already saying, hey guys, it's calling all the chickens to come and make it a hot day. should be visible on the GoPro. Quite pretty. So I'll just, well, no, it's 8 k's to the road, so I'll switch off and then switch on a bit later. Good morning, Vietnam.